Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of taxes. Now, I know taxes might not be the most exciting topic, but trust me, understanding the basics is essential for everyone. So if you're a beginner and overwhelmed, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of doing your taxes step by step. Let's get started. Step number one, gathering your documents. Before you start filling out any forms, it's crucial to gather all the necessary documents. This includes your W-2 form from your employer, any 1099 forms for freelancers or contract workers, and any other documents such as receipts for deductible expenses. Organizing your paperwork will make this process much smoother. Step number two, choose the right tax form. Next, determine which tax form is most appropriate for your situation. For most beginners, the 1099 EZ form will be sufficient. However, if you have any complex financial situations or own a business, you may need to file a different form. The IRS website provides helpful resources to guide you in selecting the correct form. Step number three, fill out your tax form. Now it's time to get down to business and start filling out your tax form. Take it one section at a time, answering each question accurately and honestly. Remember, accuracy is key to avoiding any potential issues down the line. If you're unsure about any section, consult the instructions that come with the form or seek professional advice. Step number four, claim your deductions and credits. This step is crucial for maximizing your tax benefits. Look for deductions and credits that you may be eligible for, such as the Earned Income Credit, education-related deductions, or even deductions for certain business expenses. Make sure to keep proper documentation to support your claim. Step number five, double check and review. Before you submit your tax return, take a few minutes to double check all the information you've entered. Ensure that your math is correct, your social security number is accurate, and that you signed and dated the form as required. Any errors can lead to a delay or even an audit, so it's worth the extra time to review. Step number six, submit your tax return. Congratulations! You've made it to the final step. Now it's time to submit your tax return. If you're filing electronically, you can e-file your tax return directly through the IRS website. If you prefer to file a paper return, make sure to mail it to the appropriate IRS address, which can be found in the form instructions. Filing taxes for the first time may seem intimidating, but with this step-by-step guide, you're well on your way to becoming a tax filing pro. Remember to stay organized, seek assistance when needed, and always double check your work. By following these steps, you'll not only save time and stress, but you'll also maximize your tax benefits. So take a deep breath and tackle those taxes like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching. Bye.